Neighbors, we're doing kimchi fried rice. I'm gonna show you my favorite way to make it. I mean, kimchi fried rice is like the iconic fried rice dish of Korea. When we're young, all of our parents make this, of course, with the egg on the side. Now, when I was growing up, I ate a lot of Spam, but Spam, of course, isn't the best thing. So I'm gonna swap it out with Polish sausage. I know it's still processed meat, but the combination of Polish sausage with kimchi, it's amazing. If you don't have Polish sausage, throw in some bratwurst. Any sort of tube meat will work, but allow me to show you my version. And if you like, make it your version. Let's go get some kimchi. Hopefully we do. Yes, very good. First things up, this is a store-bought one, and if you just look at the color, it's meh. I thought it would taste better, but the best way to get rid of meh kimchi, just turn it into kimchi fried rice. So we're gonna need 1 cup. By the way, canned kimchi, it works perfectly for kimchi fried rice. The amount of sourness, spice, and the leftover juice, the canned kimchi again is beautiful. So I'm showing 1 full cup now, but there are a lot of times when there's just a little bit of kimchi left, and if you only have 3/4 cup, that's fine as well. Get a pair of scissors and just chop this up. If you get this on your chopping board, it just turns orange forever. Store-bought kimchi is always a hit or miss. Lately, it's been a miss for me. No! All right, so chop it up pretty well. I think that's good enough. And one last note, when you're cooking with kimchi, it's always better to work with aged kimchi, the one that's just been sitting longer and longer and it's had time to develop a very sour profile. But if it's too sour, like it's been aging for months, then you do want to add a little bit of sugar to balance out that sourness, okay? Of course, our 4-arm piece of spring onion. You know, with the amount of spring onions I eat, I think I should really grow them in our veranda. This is going to fragrance the oil. Put this to the side. It's good. As promised, we got some Polish sausage here, some kielbasa. And look at the packaging. Isn't that hilarious? They put hashtag ASMR, hashtag mukbang. I think that should be good enough. Now, if you're vegetarian, just skip this. Just going with kimchi is fine. But if you're not, I would recommend stir frying it with some sort of pork. You can use sausage, you can use bacon, or you can use Spam. Spam is like the OG way. Should I cut them into thin rounds, make them look like pepperonis? Yeah, let's do that. I think I'll use a little bit more. My dream kimchi fried rice is coming true. Oh, and I forgot to tell you how much meat. I would just use whatever meat you're using. Just use a small handful like this. I got a little bit greedy and put a few more slices. Then some onion. Oh, this one's really 못생겼어. Wow, this thing is ugly. Is today like ugly vegetable day or something? What's going on? We're gonna use 1/4 of an onion. This should be plenty. All right, and this is all we need. Kimchi, a little thing of onion, some spring onions to fragrance that oil, and then some meat. Oh, and the rice. Let's put in 1 standard cup. All right, guys, that's 1 cup right there. Now, if you want to take extra credit and add in other things that it's in your refrigerator, the world is yours. Throw in some mushrooms, you can throw in carrots, whatever. In the back of my cabinet, I saw this green giant, you know, the sweet corn that comes in that liquid. I thought it'd be nice to throw some in here. Again, optional. I think this corn is going to work beautifully. Let's do like 3 spoons. 2 for you and 1 for the chef. Let's get it. Put in some oil. I would say a good amount, maybe 2 tablespoons worth. Let's get this on a medium heat. Then once the oil is hot, let's add in our spring onions. And once you start seeing them sizzling in the oil with the kielbasa, oh man. And the look that I'm going for, you know, some pepperoni pizzas, as they start cooking, the edges roll up and you get like a little pool of oil in the middle. Oh, those pepperoni pizzas are so good. We don't have any of those in Korea. Yes, but I'm waiting for the edges to curl up. All right, see? They're starting to curl up. Very nice. I want you to add in our onions now. Stir fry that up. Then we're gonna add in a teaspoon of sugar. This is gonna help caramelize the sausages, but it's also gonna help balance out some of that strong kimchi flavor later. Give this a stir first. You know, we haven't added any salt. Let's do 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce. All right, let's put it around the thing so the soy sauce gets cooked in the oil, gets a deeper flavor, and then toss it again. And of course, if you're a new cook, no need to be fancy. Just use a regular spatula and get them moving around. So now look at this mixture. We got the saltiness from the sausage and the soy sauce, a little bit of sweetness from the sugar, and then we got the spring onions in the back, and the onions also adding a little bit of sweetness. So it's very balanced. And now to this, we're gonna add in our kimchi. Let's go. Yes, stir fry that in. And now all those complex flavors, they're gonna mix in with that kimchi now. Oh. Wow, just beautiful. Now don't forget about your corn or your other ingredients that you might have decided to use. Get that into our kimchi mixture. Beautiful. And now kimchi fried rice, it should be red. To help that color, we're gonna add in a teaspoon of gochugaru, right? Let's get that spice added as well. That's the base. If you like it a little bit more spicy, I'm gonna add just a little bit more, maybe half a teaspoon more, because I like mine a little bit spicier, all right? Mix that around. Now take a look, if your frying pan, there's absolutely no liquid, we're gonna add in our rice. So we need just a little bit of mixture. What you can do is add some of the leftover kimchi juice, but if you don't have any leftover kimchi juice in your container, just add a little bit of water. You see, just a small thing of water. We just want a little bit more moisture in the pan. All right, you see that going? And then now we're gonna add in our rice. That way it blends in a lot easier. Break that ball of rice in. Woo! Oh, the smell is magnificent already. Break this down. Mix it around, break it around, and look at this color. Beautiful. Guys, and just take a look at that. Little bite into those little sausages. Woo, you're gonna love it. We'll turn off the heat. And of course, before we plate, we should take a bite. See if we need a little touch of salt. Oh my God, the kimchi.
Oh my God.
The corn.
Oh my God.
Katie, you're not allowed to sample if you're not going to be in the video like this. You can't just strategically come out every time. This is not Costco, right? You have to partake in the video.
I'm a free rider here.
A freeloader, yes.
Mmm.
It's really good, huh? If you want to add a touch of salt, that's up to you. And at the end, we can do a little touch of sesame oil, just a little bit. Yes. Trust me, guys, this is one of those lifetime recipes. Make it a few times so that you memorize it, and you're going to be cooking this once in a while. Whenever you feel down or you need some energy, kimchi fried rice. Then, of course, let's get a fried egg going. Pinch of salt. Let's get some of our kimchi fried rice here. Oh, beautiful. Ooh, beautiful. Then our beautiful egg. Slide that right across. Ooh. Then a little bit of crushed sesame across the top. I'm gonna put one more sausage right here, just so that you know it's sausage time. And there it is. This, my friends, is one of the best kimchi fried rice you'll ever have. My favorite part, of course, is breaking that in. Oh man, let's break that up. Oh man. Mix it all up. And that first messy scoop, there's nothing that can describe it. I love the texture of the sausage. It's crisped up just right. And then you get a little bit of corn in between. The rice is amazing. I love it. Guys, I'm so happy right now. This kimchi fried rice is hitting the spot. There's so much crazy things going on in this world, from politics to weather to everything in between. But cooking for yourself once in a while, this just helps you focus out of there and just focus in the present moment. And right now, I'm so present, so present.